Yeah, someone requested for this video, so I'm going to show you how to make these shorts for Umplaselo, traditional wear for the Zulu people. Yeah, let's start. So I'm drafting my pattern. So the first line is the waist, the second one is the crush line at 7 inches. Then the length of the short is 16 inches long. So on this line, I took my hips and divide by 4, then I marked that line. So I'm gonna measure that line, then I'm gonna divide by 4, then I'm gonna mark whatever I get for the extension of the crotch line. Then I'm going to draw the crotch line. So I drew the crotch line, so this is the front that we are drafting. Then I took the waist measurement and divided by 4 and mark it at the waistline. Then I went on to shape the the shorts. For best result, please measure your child and draft the pattern. If you don't know how to draft the pattern, just take any shot of your child and trace it to make a pattern. This is the easiest way to make a pattern. Yeah, so I went on to shape the legs of the the shorts. Yeah, so then I went down by half an inch at the center front of the shorts. Yeah, so this is the front. Yeah, this is the front I'm going to use it. So I pin it on the new pattern paper. I marked the line. So I extended the crush line by 2 and 1 inch at the bottom. You can extend it by 1.5 at the crush line. So I went in by half an inch at the width. Then I went up by half an inch. Then I divided my market there. Then I shape it. Yeah, so then I draw the new cross line for the back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is the pattern. This is the front and back for the shorts. Yeah, so I'm going to add the sewing allowance and ease when I'm cutting on fabric. Yeah, so these are my pockets for the front and back. So I have 1 meter for this fabric. I also bought this bias tip, the blue and yellow. I got half a meter, half a meter. Yeah, so this is a half a meter of that 1 meter. I'm going to use it to cut the shorts. If you like cutting a long trousers, you can use about 1 meter. Yeah, so yeah, I added half an inch. So the back piece, I cut 2 pieces. I divided it into 2, so I cut 2 pieces. So I also cut flies for the zipper. This one is unfold, this one is a single piece. Yeah, I'm going to use to finish the fly. So yeah, I went on to sew the pockets to join them. Then I went on to finish it with the bias tape. I did the same thing for the top of the pocket. I just folded it, then I top stitched the trim, you see. Yeah, so I did the same thing for the other pocket. the front pocket, I folded it, then I top stitched the trims to finish the pocket. Yeah, so yeah, these are all my pocket pieces. So see, these are all my pocket pieces. Here I was marking where I'm gonna put the pocket. If you like, you can cut your pattern into different pieces and cut it on different colors if you like. I was just doing the easy way and fast way so I can finish sewing. So if you have the time, you can cut the pattern maybe into 3 different pieces and cut on fabric. Yeah, and finish it off with bias, the trims. Yeah, so I mark where I put my front pockets, then I pin them. So I'm going to use this trim to finish my pockets. You can cut any style of pockets you want and use the trim to finish your pockets just like shown in the video. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. I was finishing the packet with the tape. Did the same thing for the other packet. So I folded this trim, then I sew it on top to finish the packet. Ngithungile ke la ngathunga ibhasi le trim le ngithungile. You see, your packet is done. I top stitch it. So for the back, I'm going to do the same thing. Ngathunga nala iphakethe lase-back la ngiliphinile la kwi-back piece. So ngigoqele laphayana le trim len manje sengizoyithunga-ke, ngithunge all around. You see, like that. I folded it, then I'm going to sew. Yeah, you can do any style you like. Don't follow me what I'm doing. You can mix and match blue, red, go and buy different colors that you like. So I went on to sew. I sewed and I sewed till I was tired. Then after I was done sewing, I went on to iron it. So ngithungile mase ngiqedile ukuthunga ngihambe ngo-iron. So yabona lo iphakethe sengiqedile lase-back. See, so beautiful. So these are all my pockets. I'm done. This is the front. This is the back. So now what I will do, I'm going to join the side seams. If you don't have an overlocker, you can use a zigzag or bias tape. I was sewing the side seams here. Ngithungile ama-side ama-shorts yami. Mawukuthi ufuna ibhuluku elide ungasebenzisa u-1 meter. Depend ukuthi uthungela umuntu omngakanani. Then I went on to iron. This is it. I ironed it. You see the other piece. I ironed it. Here I cut a strip of fabric. So I mark where I'm going to put my trim. So for best result, please just draw lines that you will follow when you're sewing. You place your the fabric and follow that line for straight sewing. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish it with bias tape. Yeah, so this is it. I have sewn the bias tape, the trims to the shorts, you see. Yeah, sengithungile, yasi ibhek le. Ngithungile-ke lapha ngathunga. Thatha isikhathi lento ukuthunga. Yeah, so this is the zipper. I was joining it to the front. Please leave a comment if you want a detailed video on how to sew a fly zipper to your trousers. Yeah, so here I was just winging it. This is the not right way to sew a zipper. Yeah, if you want a detailed one, leave a comment. Yeah, ngithungile ukuzipha, ngawuthunga uzipha. Ngawuthunga. Angazi nami ukuthi uthungwa kanjani. Nisho kodwa uma nifuna ngiyenzele ividiyo ukuthi uthungwa kanjani uzipha. So I pinned my zipper. Yeah, then I'm going to top stitch. You see, I top stitched the zipper to the trousers. Yeah, ngithungile uzipha la. Ngawuthunga. Yeah, please take your time when you're sewing the zipper. Yeah. Yeah, so then gonna take the other piece and sew it to the other center front. So yeah, I sewed it. Ngithungile lomunye upiece we-fly so i-center front ibhluke lami ama-shorts njalo. Yeah, see, then I'm going to iron it. Then so I pinned the zipper to the other piece of the fly. You can watch other video if you don't understand what I'm doing here. Yeah, so yeah, then I went on to sew. You see, I sew. The zipper is almost there. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna pin and sew the crotch, the unsew parts. You see there, I'm gonna take it and sew there. So yeah, I have sewn it. See my zipper. Yeah, you see, this is the back. I also joined the back crotch line. Yeah, so now I'm gonna sew the inseams. This is my waistband. This one is for the loops for my trousers. I'm going to sew it, then I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, so now I'm going to finish the bottom. So I'm going to use this, gonna sew it, then I'm going to iron it. I'm gonna use it. Yeah, I have sewn it, you see, and I have pressed it. So you see how I press it. Yeah, so I pressed it, so I'm gonna use the tape, the trim to finish it, but you don't have to do this. You can just fold it and hem it the normal way. Yeah, it will depend on the style that you want. So I'm gonna finish up with this bias, this trim. Yeah, this beautiful trim. Don't know what is the name of this thing. Then I'm gonna sew the inseams of the shorts. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, I have done it. I've sewn it and I sew the shorts. You see, I'm done with the. So for best results, please cut ophisi abalinganayo, ungabi ukhatha ophisi abangalingani, khona kuzoba right. Cut even pieces for best results when you are cutting these pieces for your shorts or trousers. So I mark the waist. So the waist that I'm working with was 24, so this is correct for the trousers. So I'm gonna cut a waistband of about 28 inches. So this is my waistband. The width of it is 5 inches. So gonna fold it like this when I'm sewing to be 2 inches. So I cut loops 3.5 inches. I cut 5. So I'm going to place them on the waist and pin them. Then I'm gonna pin the waistband. Then I'm going to sew it. Ngizofaka la mase ngiyathunga-ke la i-waistband yami. Bese ngiqedile ama-shorts yami. So I pinned it. So like I said, so I have sewn the waistband. Then I went on to iron them. You can stop stitch there if you like, or I'm going to show you both ways. This is the right way. If you are lazy, you can just do that one I'm showing you. Then I'm gonna top stitch the waistband, you see. Then I'm gonna sew the loops. So if you are in a hurry, you can just sew like this. This is the wrong way to finish your waistband. I don't know if this is the right or the wrong way. But I'm gonna show you the other one. That is the correct way. So you can just top stitch, you see, or you will fold like this. Then you're gonna sew on that crease line there, you see. Gonna sew there where I have ironed. Zothunga lapha ngilandele la engithunge khona. Then you're gonna trim it and turn it to the right side. This is the right way to finish your waistband. But you can use that other one if you like. Then like I said, I unpicked that other side that I top stitch. See again, ngizothunga lapha kulowa crease lowa, ngithunge ngizoqedelela i-waistband yami. Mase ngiqedile ngizotop stitcha i-waistband all around. So like I was saying, I'm gonna sew there, see there on the crease. Then I'm gonna trim it. Then I'm gonna turn it to the right side of, see, I was turning it to the right side. Then I'm gonna stitch in the dish. Is that the right weight? Gonna sew there right where I just sewed. I'm gonna top stitch all around, making sure I'm catching the waistband on the inside. See, I sew ngithungile. When I'm done, I'm gonna sew the loops to the top. Then I'm gonna sew the button and the buttonhole. You see, sewed it. See, it's catch the waistband inside of the shorts. Sew the button and the buttonhole to your trousers. So now I'm gonna fold the loops. Then I'm gonna top stitch. You can use hand and needle. Don't kill your machine. If you like, you can put interfacing to your waistband. Yeah, so I put the button and make the buttonhole. So yeah, this is it. Your shorts are all done now. Gonna press them, iron them to be nice. Yeah, so yeah. Angazi nami ukuthi kuthungwane kanjena noma kuthungwa kanjani. Ayi, seninosho kuma-comment muthi ngithunge wrong, ningitshene khona nami ngizofunda. So this is the top. Yeah, so yeah, two-piece wethu-ke lo usu-ready. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, yeah, u-two-piece lo. Yeah, you can, uma unesikhathi ungafaka lapha ama-decoration e-back yo-waistcoat yakho mawukuthi unesikhathi ya. Hhayi, azowamumbiyela u-two-piece lo. Hhayi, kodwa nizothi ungabeni nabahle. Ya.